Hi there and welcome to another video. I'm Raluca and today I'm doing this soft holiday season look. It's glittery, it's festive, but it's not over the top. If you want it to be even softer, you can pair it with a nude lip instead of a red lip. But this is the look, cute and Christmassy, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start by quickly doing something to my brows. Just gonna set them in place with this Super Lock Gel by Maybelline. This is the tinted version. It's the shade medium brown, I think. Yep. I'm just gonna brush it through my brows, just looking to set the hairs into place, not necessarily fill anything in. But this, since it brings a little bit of tint as well, it's pretty nice. And this one, the Super Lock, is just the best brow gel. My eye makeup today is gonna be pretty soft. Whoa, what is that? I'm gonna use a little bit of Scotch tape in order to guide me, because I want to do a soft smoky liner. I'm in a little bit of a rush, so you're gonna see me, I'm a little bit uneasy. But I am very excited for today because I'm gonna see some friends. First I'm gonna grab a coffee and go thrifting with a friend. Then meet more friends in the afternoon and we'll play some board games, which is very exciting. I want it to be a little bit festive because the Christmas market is on, there are lights everywhere, it's so beautiful. So I stuck these two Scotch tapes. Hopefully they're symmetrical, that's the only thing that you have to be careful. I'm gonna slightly prime. I'm gonna use just some concealer to prime my eyelids. You can use a natural eyeshadow primer if you have one. Since I finished my last eyeshadow primer like 2 years ago, I think, I just did not purchase another one, and since then I've been using just concealer. But eyeshadow primer definitely makes the eyeshadow last a little bit better in my opinion. If you have an event or something, go for that eyeshadow primer instead. I'm gonna set with a little bit of powder to increase the wear time. If you're using concealer, this is a nice thing that you can do in order to get just a little bit more wear time out of your eyeshadow. I'm just gonna pat a little bit of powder. I'm gonna go for the NYX Battle Plan palette, which is from their Christmas collection of last year. Let's see what clean brushes I have, because the answer is probably none. I'm gonna work with what I have. This is a brush from NYX, it's a very old one. But let's see if I can manage to apply a little bit of a transition with this one. I'm just gonna mix these two shades, I think. Maybe more of this, because it's a little bit pinkier and softer. Oh, that's a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner of my eye. The reason why I switched eyes is because I had way too much eyeshadow on my brush, so I had to basically put down the pigment from my brush so it's a little bit softer and less pigmented. Anyway, I'm gonna do this eye now. And doing little circular motions and going up towards my crease, but I'm keeping it in the outer corner of my eye mostly. And then after I place down the pigment, I can start brushing it inwards. So going towards the center of my lid and then the inner portion. But once I reach the inner portion of my eye, there's basically just not any pigment on my brush, so it's gonna look a lot softer than my outer corner. That's sort of the look that I'm going for usually. I like more pigmentation to be in the outer corner and less pigmentation to be in the inner corner, because that visually extends the eye a little bit and gives you that elongated cat eye look. That's good! I'm not gonna do a lot on my lids. Let's see this shade, because this is beautiful. I'm looking for a glitter to apply on my lid here. And the best way to apply glitter is with your fingers. It just looks the most pigmented and sparkly once you apply it with your finger instead of a brush. You can also wet your brush if you have really long nails and you can't really do this. You can wet a brush with some setting spray, just spray it. The brush has to be flat for shimmery eyeshadows. And then it's gonna look more metallic if your brush is wet. That is pretty. I hope the camera catches the glitter. Just gonna apply another layer because I love this. What a beautiful shade. And now I'm gonna attempt to do a smoky liner. You can either use a pencil brush, something like this, or an angle brush, whatever you have. Usually I prefer the pencil brush. I'm gonna apply a dark shade. Which one should I go for? I think this one. And this is again gonna be concentrated on the outer corner of my eye, right here. And by the way, a pretty important thing to mention is that if you're doing this, if you're using this technique with the Scotch tape, it's best if you do your eye makeup first and then your face makeup, because the Scotch tape is gonna lift your foundation, concealer, whatever you apply here underneath the eye. I'm trying to build up the pigment with this dark brown, and I'm just picking up more pigment, more product, and I'm just tapping it on my eye. So basically I'm doing patting motions here. And again, it's gonna be on the outer corner mainly, because that's how I like my liners, on the outer half of my lid. Just gonna pat a little bit towards the center of my lid, but I'm gonna stop there, so I'm not gonna bring it all the way to the inner corner. And since you're using eyeshadow, the eyeliner is already so much softer than if you were using a liquid eyeliner. Okay, let's see what's underneath here. This is like the easiest eyeliner method. If you're not able to do your eyeliner with a liquid liner, eyeshadow and Scotch tape is just an amazing combo. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly do my face makeup. I'm gonna start with the skin tint from NYX. It's the Buttermelt Glaze. It's just lightweight and hydrating, and I need something hydrating during the winter time because my skin gets pretty dry. I got it in my hair. Okay. I'm doing half of my face because I film for Instagram as well. It's a struggle. This is in the shade Vanilla Bean Butter, by the way. I'm gonna take my sponge and tap it into my skin. I'm doing tiny bouncing motions. I'm not swiping with my sponge, instead I'm just tapping. For concealer, I'm gonna use the same one that I used to prime my eyelids. It's the Instant Anti-Age Eraser by Maybelline. This is an all-time favorite. It's just the best one. It looks somewhat natural, it's hydrating. It has a sort of like a medium coverage. It's perfect for everyday use. And I am just using the same sponge. Then I'm gonna have to powder on top. I'm just powdering my under eyes because I don't want my concealer to crease. I usually pack my powders for my travels in this manner. It's more convenient even for using it at home because I don't know, powder jars are a little bit weird. You have to sort of like dust a little bit of powder in the jar, in the lid, and then use it. And I don't know, I just find it a little bit more convenient from a little jar like this, where I can just get the amount of powder that I need by just dipping my brush into it. I'm not gonna powder my entire face. Again, my skin is pretty dry during the winter, so definitely don't need any powder. It's gonna mattify by itself. So I'm just powdering my under eyes to avoid creasing. Tiny bit of bronzer, Sun Lover by Catrice. Again, probably an all-time favorite for me. I like the fact that it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's a shimmery bronzer. So if you're into that glowy look, it's beautiful. And I don't use highlighter, or at least not on a daily basis. So shimmery bronzer, and you're gonna see a shimmery blush as well. It's just the perfect combo for me. I already get that glow without an actual highlighter. What I like to do with my bronzer is take it on my temple like that. So I'm extending my eyeshadow into my temple and just a tiny bit underneath the nose. And then for blush, this is the NYX Buttermelt blush. It's from their newest edition. They added more shades, and this is the shade You Know Butta, and it's a little bit shimmery. I like it more than the original Buttermelt. I mean, I like the shimmery ones a little bit better than the matte ones. Also because they're a little bit softer. The matte ones are so pigmented. And I like a bit of a softer blush. Especially because I have blush blindness. I apply a lot of blush. And if the blush is really pigmented, it looks a little bit scary almost. So I'm just tapping this with a Sigma powder brush. It's the number 10. And again, since this has a little bit of shimmer as well, See that soft glow on my cheeks? I hope it captured on camera, and I get that with no highlighter. If I want to be a little bit more festive, I would apply a highlighter, but I don't feel like doing that today. I'm good with this softer glow. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to require a little bit of mascara, but not before I curl my lashes. This is a must for me. I always notice the difference if I'm too lazy to go grab my lash curler. And I'm gonna go for my all-time favorite, the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Mainly because it lasts very well. It doesn't fall on the face for me. And so it's gonna be here for the entire day, especially because I have plans in the afternoon as well. I want my makeup to last. And applying it on the bottom lashes as well. I did not apply any eyeshadow on my lower lash line. You can, of course, dust your transition shade on there, or even apply some more glitter if you're into that. Today I feel like just keeping things a little bit softer. As a lip color, we have two options, or like more, but like two options that I have in mind that will look festive. If you want a softer version, you can apply a nude pencil, and what I have in mind is a shimmery gloss, something like this one from Maybelline. It's the lifter gloss in the shade Pearl. It has beautiful glittery particles. I hope you can notice it on camera. It's dirty because I applied it a bunch of times before, but this is very beautiful for Christmas, and not only. Or obviously the second option is a red lip, which I think I'm gonna do. I'm feeling brave, especially because I have the red top as well. I'm gonna line with the lifter liner in the shade Main Character. This is a very beautiful bold red lip pencil. I didn't apply red in such a long time. And this is also a beautiful lip pencil range. The lifter liner, very long lasting, creamy, pigmented, I love it. And as lipstick, I'm gonna go for the Maybelline Superstay. They changed packaging on this lipstick. It looks thinner and sleek and elegant. I like it a lot. And this is the shade Pioneer. It's a perfect red lip. Oh, look at that. Let me just blend it a bit. I like doing that because I don't like having a very thick layer of liquid lipstick. I think that's a little bit uncomfortable. So instead I just pat it with my finger like that. So this is the look all complete. I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, that is fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful and inspiring. I wish you a wonderful holiday season. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!